Hello and welcome to this guided meditation by Rico Living. My name is Saga and I will be your guide for today's meditation. In today's meditation, we will focus on the power within you. We will focus on your resilience and your inner strength. So find yourself now in a sitting position of your choice. It is best to be seated on the floor or mat with a straight spine and head held high. However, if you need to support your back, you may sit in a chair but retain an elongated spine for the duration of this session. You may now gently close your eyes. And now, just take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale again through your mouth. And again, take a deep breath in and feel your body expanding. And when you exhale, cultivate relaxation. And again, take a deep breath in, feeling your body expand. And exhale and cultivate relaxation. Well done. As you breathe, you are drawing a closer union between your body and soul. With each breath you take, you are bringing about a balanced and serene mood, a calm attitude. Take a long, deep breath in again, and listen to the sound of your breath becoming heavier and heavier with each breath. And exhale. And again, take a deep breath in, listening to the sound of your breath. And exhale. Well done. Use this moment now to focus on your strength. Find a time in your memories where you were strong and resilient. See how you made it through a tough time. A time when you had the strength, just as you have the strength now. And I'm going to give you a few moments now to just play that image in your mind. Well done. Focus on your breath to create a regular, soothing, and intimate environment to cultivate a courageous mindset. And know that deep within, you are tough and tenacious. Use the sound of your breath as a resource to bring about an unyielding power of self. The sound of your breath presents a force, a capability to influence your entire mood, spreading the ability to achieve your dreams and aspirations with each conscious breath. Let go of any concern or despair. You do not need these things anymore. They are of no use when you utilize the force of your good intentions. When you feel doubt, breathe into it to override it with pure strength. If you get knocked down along the way, this is a good thing, because it provided a space of learning, something to overcome. This is how you get stronger. you have the resilience to get back up and move forward with more power than you ever did before. We tend to undermine our abilities by negative self-talk. These are limiting beliefs which can literally stop progress in its tracks. Don't listen to this voice. You have the choice to let this thought pass by just like a cloud in the sky, or like the waters of a river flowing by. Now, remember back to a time when someone was strong for you. And just picture this person in your mind right now. Who comes to mind? And what were their actions? How did what they did for you make you feel? See clearly their face when they helped you or guided you. Notice the energy they presented during your time of need. Feel their strength. Inhale deeply and extend gratitude again to this individual, and gently breathe out. And imagine you can give them a huge hug. And as you hug them in your mind, soak in their strength. Become one with their ability to help. Join with their resilience. And inhale again. And feel gratitude for this privilege before exhaling. Well done. Now is the time to rule your choices and thoughts. You are the leader of how your life is lived, so warrant strength to your entire being. Make a pledge that during life's challenges, you are flexible to the twists and turns, and you can snap back into pure potential. Be aware that you can take control of your life by taking action. It's your choice to focus on what you want in life and to chase it. You have the power. You have the inner strength to do it. It's your decision to move away from the things that you don't wish and to finally create your own dream life day by day, moment by moment. Bring back this power and skill into the present moment and use it to guide all of your choices. And before we end this meditation, I would just like to give you a few affirmations to repeat in your mind. And when you repeat these affirmations, feel the power behind them. Feel your strength, your courage, and your resilience while you're repeating these affirmations in your mind. So let's begin. I am strong. I am powerful. I am tenacious. I am powerful beyond measure. I call back my power to me and let go of any resistance to my own inner strength. Well done. And whenever you're ready, you can now gently open your eyes, for you are now ready to take on the power of life. I want to thank you again for choosing Rico Living, for your guided meditation today. If you've enjoyed this meditation, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I wish you a very good rest of the day. Love and blessings to you.